Castell Coch is a beautiful castle located in Wales, near Cardiff. Its name means Red Castle in Welsh. This fairy tale-like castle is famous for its stunning design and rich history. Originally, there was a 13th century fort built by Gilbert de Clare, a Norman lord. This early structure, likely serving as a defensive fort, was mostly destroyed by the end of the 15th century and did not play a significant role in any major wars or sieges. By the time it fell into ruin and was largely abandoned, there were no well-documented battles or sieges involving the castle. In the late 19th century, the wealthy Marquess of Bute, John Creighton Stewart, decided to rebuild the castle. He hired the famous architect William Burges, who created the romantic and medieval-style castle that stands today. Castell Coch looks like it's straight out of a storybook with its red stone walls, conical roofs, and round towers. Inside, the castle is equally impressive, decorated with beautiful murals, intricate woodwork, and luxurious furnishings. Each room has a unique theme, showcasing Victorian interpretations of medieval styles. Unlike many castles, Castell Coch wasn't built for defense. Instead, it was designed as a whimsical retreat for the Marquess of Bute. As such, the modern version of Castell Coch has no history of military use or involvement in conflicts. Its primary significance lies in its architectural beauty and its role as a symbol of the Victorian fascination with medieval history and fantasy.